Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. We're just here at the Adelaide Central Markets. It has over 70 plus stores. It specialises in organic produce, from your dairies to fresh meat and all your coffee needs, your cakes. So let's see what we get up to and what we eat today, so stay tuned. So we're just walking to the Adelaide Central Market. And we're going to stop at the Portuguese custard tart shop. I've never tried one before. So we're going to stop here, Joe?
We're going to stop here.
Let's do it. So Joe's just trying the Portuguese custard tart.
Very good.
Fresh?
Yeah, it's good. I've got cinnamon on top. It's got custard inside. It's quite small, so you probably need a couple of them.
A few, hey?
Yeah.
We're going to try a few different things, but this was our first stop. As you enter the Central Market.
So Vista's just trying the Portuguese custard tart. What do you think?
It is so good. I don't know why we waited so long to try this.
So we got some cinnamon, we got some custard, and it's got some soft pastry on the outside. It's still warm, yeah?
It's still warm, and it's so flaky, but so good. A must. Got fresh sourdough breads, cakes.
You can smell the salami. Every time you come here, you're just always so hungry. The
Always.
smell of the food and the coffees.
And there's a variety of everything to pick from.
That Portuguese custard tart went down well.
So good. There was a Japanese crepe store that I wanted to try out today. I saw it last week, however, it was not there today. It must have been one of those pop-up stores and I missed out.
Who wants some lollies?
Old sweet shop.
It's all old school stuff. You got some vegan range.
Caters for everyone.
I used to eat these when I was a kid. These nerds.
Nerds.
These American range, Hershey's. I love these. Reese.
Oh yeah, they're the best.
If there's one thing I love, it's fresh bread.
It is the best. And they look so good.
And cheese, fresh cheese. Cheese and bread.
That's all you need.
This one's $135 a kilo.
They even have their market trolley bags. That's convenient. What do we have here?
We've got Lego. 9,000 pieces of Lego went into building this.
Oh wow, so that's the entrance that we came from.
21 hours it took to build that. So
Pretty-
Lego pieces, eh?
Pretty crafty. Haze chocolate. Produced here in South Australia. Whoa, there's so many different kinds of chocolates at Hayes and so many gift packs to choose from. Check out these boxes.
There's one chocolate I love. It's Hayes.
You love Hayes?
I love Hayes, yeah.
So you can get a box here for $2.75.
Cheap.
You bought me a box before
I have, yeah.
with a selection of their different chocolates from the milk to the dark.
I love dark chocolate the most. Dark chocolate's best. You like light chocolate or
I
dark?
do, milky. Here you can pick your own individual chocolates and make up your own box to take home or even gift to someone. Have here, Joe.
We've got some dried salmon.
Oh, yum. That looks good. And barramundi.
Which one you like better?
Tough choice.
I'd
Both.
say cooked barramundi
Yeah,
and smoked salmon.
sounds good. I'll take that. How about you?
I feel like a coffee.
We'll have to find a coffee shop then. All produced here in South Australia as well. Milk and dairy. And you've got a little book section where you can chew and read a book. Hello, good morning. Good, how are
in a
you?
good mood today?
Yes, I am. I'm in a great mood.
Would you like me to date you?
Check these cannolis out. Who wants one? And here we are at Marino's Butcher Shop. It's just giving me those old school traditional vibes of when you enter a butcher shop. Everything's nice and clean and spread out perfectly. Check it out. We're going to go and have a coffee at Mr. Cheese. I haven't tried their coffee before, but I know they specialise in amazing cakes. So let's go and try their coffee there and see what it tastes like. Lots of different cakes at Mr. Cheese.
We just got our coffees. We're at Mr. Cheese. It's a good way to start the morning with a coffee.
Definitely is. So what's your routine? Do you start with a coffee, a tea, or comment below? I start my mornings with a coffee. It's just a great way to wake up to, and it's like a morning routine. You need your coffee to start the day.
I normally just have a peppermint tea and that's it until lunchtime. I don't even have breakfast.
Good coffee, by the way.
Is it good coffee?
Very good.
I'm going to drink mine now.
So stay tuned. How cute are these coffee pots? And then you can order your organic coffees from different countries to go with it.
Where do we go next?
I want to find the Lebanese bread to take home. Can't remember where it was.
Entry, I think,
Oh,
wasn't
was it?
Yeah. Just saw it when we came in.
Oh wait, it's just here, isn't it? I see some breads there after this stall. Do we? Yes. We'll just get one bag. Joe, check the bracelet out.
Similar to mine.
Very. Amazing smells coming out.
Smells good, eh?
So good. Lots of different cakes at a few different stalls around here, but they all look so good, so fresh. Bonjour. Hi guys, so we're here at the Adelaide Japanese Garden. It's a little hidden gem in the city centre of Adelaide, so let's see what it looks like together. So it's an autumn day here in Adelaide. So we're just entering the Japanese garden.
How nice and maintained though, all the trees.
It's gorgeous, so relaxing.
The Japanese statue. I can't read Japanese. Can anyone read Japanese?
What does it say, guys? Comment below.
Look at the little turtle over there on the rock.
Oh wow, gorgeous. Any fish?
Can't see any.
It's like we're in another city now. The turtle is sunbaking, getting some vitamin D.
How relaxing is this place? You can just sit here and meditate. The serenity.
Gorgeous place, as you can see. It'd be so nice to have a picnic here, maybe even get some produce from the Central Market and just put a rug down and enjoy the produce with this gorgeous scenery around you. We've got a
little fenced off area over here.
I'm not too sure.
Is there any signs at all?
It's like a Japanese garden.
Rock garden.
I love the unique trees, so pretty.
I love the scent of the water, the fountains. So relaxing.
That's a unique one, built out of a rock. That's a cool tree.
Bit of effort goes into maintaining all these trees.
It wouldn't be easy.
You must have gardeners here all the time.
Pruning them, shaping them into the right shapes.
Imagine how much water has to go into keeping a garden this green, because we haven't had much rain.
We haven't. It's really been dry.
It's been a dry year.
And a very warm autumn indeed. We've got some flowers there.
There's a waterfall in the centre of the garden, and the water runs straight through into this main area here. All the sunlight's coming through and it's just got a vibrant feel to it.
How good's the sunshine?
21 degrees, the sun's not too hot, it's nice. Just so relaxing.
Like and subscribe.
And thank you for watching.
Bye.